That's a honey bear. Seems pretty cool. You got the elephant hotel over there, full of elephants. She don't know, but he wants to eat her face.
He can jump.
Yeah, he could totally jump. All right, this is the Pod Chocolate Factory. I didn't realize it was so close to the elephant rides, but it's literally right here. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Doing very good.
Are you finished your fun riding?
We did. We did.
You just finished inside.
Awesome. Can I record?
Yeah?
Thank you.
So we need to show you the ticket.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh, your ticket, we bring everything inside. Okay. All we can visit is after night and my friend Peter will bring.
Awesome. Thank you. Oh, it smells so good. Hi.
Yeah, so here we only have a 20 different flavors. So all in the mug you can taste.
We could try?
Yes.
Really?
All of this? All of this?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Are you serious?
it's already paid for too, huh?
Pardon?
It's already paid for from up
Yeah,
there?
that's free from your ticket.
Awesome. Thank you.
Oh my god, this is crazy.
Okay, and you make it all here?
Pardon?
You make all the chocolate here?
Before we made all here, but now we only have a bigger factory.
In Bali though?
Yeah.
Awesome.
20 minutes from here.
Wow. Do we just try a little?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I'm gonna start this.
The cacao bean. Wow.
I love this one.
Okay, I'll try.
Can you just put it there, babe, and then make it stand?
Okay.
I don't know.
Oh, what's that one called?
What?
What is that?
Cafe mocha.
Cafe mocha. Alright guys, I forgot we have a coffee drink that they give you after the elephant rides. Try some candy or some chocolate and hit the road. So we have a lot to do today. The chocolate's good. Oh, you make white chocolate too?
Yeah. You mix it with the milk, cream, and chocolate powder.
Very good. I want to take it like a shot. Full of diabetes.
Story. I really love this drink.
That was super chocolate. Alright, let's go get some diabetes. I want to try one piece of everything.
What did that?
You already tried one of everything?
Yeah.
You tried?
Not all, but
That's it, yeah.
after I pick, I take picture.
Okay. We kind of have to hurry.
Oh, it's up there.
I know. Yeah, we have to hurry. There's a lot to do and see today.
Just leave it there.
Yeah.
I was here.
I'll try this
Can you just stay here?
Chocolate bean.
Can you just stay here?
They might put you to work. I want to eat the peppermint last. I'll eat the peppermint last. I'm gonna have a bellyache. Banana? I love banana. Okay, sweet chili. Let's save the white chocolate for last. It was very good.
Ah, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, another tasty travel with Tasty Travel with Dom and Brian and Elma. We're off to see a temple.
Ah.